You save money, but somehow it feels like your money never grows. Every time the market rises, you are late. Every time it crashes, you panic. And deep inside, you wonder, is investing just another gamble? If you have ever felt this way, stay with me. Because The Intelligent Investor is not just another book on stocks, it's a guide to building real wealth without losing your peace of mind. I remember a friend of mine, 25 years old, working at his first job. He was excited about investing. He opened an app, bought a few shares, and within weeks he lost almost half his money. He was not stupid, he was not careless, he just did not know the rules of the game. The Intelligent Investor is the book that teaches those rules. So today, let's walk through its most powerful lessons. Lessons that can save you years of mistakes and maybe protect your future. Lesson 1: The difference between speculating and investing. Most people think they're investing, but really, they're gambling. Picture this: someone hears about a hot stock from a WhatsApp group. They rush in, hoping it will double in a month. That's speculation, like betting on a lottery ticket. But now imagine another person. They studied the company, check its earnings, its history, its risk, and buy knowing they may hold for years. That's investing. Benjamin Graham, the author, said, an investor's biggest weapon is patience. True investing is about owning real businesses, not chasing quick wins. Before buying any stock, ask yourself, if the market closed for 5 years, would I still want to own this? If the answer is no, you are not investing, you are speculating. Listen to Mr. Market, your emotional enemy. Every investor has a partner. He's called Mr. Market and he's crazy. Imagine a neighbor who comes to your door every day. Some days he's cheerful, offering to buy your house at a high price. Other days he's depressed, begging to sell you his house cheap. Graham said, the stock market works the same way. Prices go up, prices go down, but the real value of the house or the company doesn't change overnight. The danger is when you start taking Mr. Market too seriously. If you panic when he's fearful or get greedy when he's excited, you will always lose. Use the market, don't follow it. Buy when opportunities are good. Sell only it makes sense. And most importantly, don't let emotions dictate your money. Lesson 3: Margin of Safety. What if every time you build a bridge, you made it strong enough to carry twice the weight? That's margin of safety. Think about it. Engineers don't build bridges that can handle exactly one truck. They prepare for storms, accidents, heavy loads. Investing needs the same. If you buy a stock at a price far below its true worth, you have a margin of safety, protection against markets, surprises, or even bad luck. This one principle has saved fortunes. Without it, even the smartest investor can be wiped out by one wrong bet. Never chase stocks at sky high price. Always look for value. Companies selling for less than what they are truly worth. That gap is your safety net. And here's the part that stings the most because even if you know all these lessons patience, discipline, margin of safety there's one mistake almost every investor makes, and it's the reason most people never build wealth. That's the final lesson. Lesson 4: The real risk is you. The stock market doesn't destroy wealth, human behavior does. Think back to 2008 or even 2020. Markets crashed, people panicked, some sold everything at the bottom, locking in their losses. Others froze, never buying again. But those who stayed calm, who followed discipline, they recovered and grew even stronger. Graham said the investor's biggest enemy is not the market, it's himself. Fear, greed, impatience. These destroy more portfolios than bad stocks ever could. Set clear rules for yourself. Decide how much risk you can take. Automate your savings. Diversify. And when fear whispers in your ear, remember, wealth is built slowly, not overnight. So let's return to the pain we started with. You save money, but it doesn't grow. You enter the market, but fear and confusion pull you down. The intelligent investor teaches you that wealth is not built by chasing luck, it's built by discipline, patience, and emotional control. And if you want to go one step deeper, if you want to understand why people make irrational choices, why they get influenced into bad money decisions, then the next book is for you. It's called Influence by Robert Cialdini. And in my next video, I will show you how mastering psychology is just as important as mastering finance. Subscribe Stay with me, and together let's learn how to build not just money but wisdom.